Semi-final win over Canada out on the field for this defensive line. USA and Japan did meet in a power pool crossover. USA winning 15-12 after opening up a 6-score lead late. It was 14-8. And then US took their feet off the gas and restart. And that's a throw that, with the wind not doing much right now, should be open for the Japanese. Matsuno winds it up to Kamimura. Matsuno. And the disc floats into. Matsuno winds it up to Kamimura. Matsuno. And the disc floats into the end zone, not the intended target. A travel will bring this back. Ryan Farrell, I think, is one of those guys that if you don't follow Ultimate every single day of your life, you may not appreciate his level of skill. But that could have been the highlight that illustrated the type of D he's played his entire life. In the gold medal game of the World Ultimate and Guts Championships 2016 here in London. 4 years ago, the USA beat Great Britain and Japan.
But when you come for this week, and some people can talk about early in the week, you're talking about international matchups.
Here is a shot, and Tanaka right into the chest of Kamimura.
I was just going to say, early in the week, sometimes there are blowouts.
For Japan at age 39, I asked you yesterday about Bo's longevity, and you talked about his ferocious training regimen. Now playing with the Dallas Roughnecks in the AUDL, looking to help establish professional Ultimate in the United States.